Hey y'all, iRick Sky here, and within this video I'm going to make a very simple frozen rum drink with a lot of common ingredients you can probably find pretty much anywhere. So without further ado, let's get started. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the blender like I'm using. And the cool thing is you can just drink out of this blender thing. So first thing we're going to do is start with ice. So, you know, personal preference dictates rather how much ice you use. This particular blender has a max fill line. I don't put the ice all the way up to it because I like my drink. I like it really icy, but I like it a little bit kind of runny. This right here is really good. I mean, this is, if you don't want to use, you know, fresh fruit and real fruit. Now this, it is worth mentioning, this only contains 5% fruit juice. So, you know, if you check out my other drink recipes where I'm using 100% real fruit, you know, this wouldn't fit into that. But this is a smoothie flavor. I shook it up really good, and we're going to put that in there in a minute. But first, going to put our rum. Again, this is matter of personal preference. I don't like the really cheap bottom shelf rum, but I like a really affordable rum. This is a high quality real rum from St. Croix that, you know, people could sip this rum, but it's more of a higher end mixing rum is what I like to refer to it as. So, you know, a matter of personal preference, however much rum you want to put in there. That's a matter of how you're, you know, whatever your preferences may be. Now we're going to put some of this in, this smoothie mix. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there, and you can find, actually you can find quite a bit of this. You can find a blender, and then I've got the juice that I'm using. This stuff, it's got an interesting smell to it. So just kind of give it like a pina colada type effect there. So I'm going to put some of that in there. And then I'm going to put, this is just 100% pineapple juice. When I do my real juice frozen drinks, I only use stuff like this because, see, this is 100% juice and it has no sugar added. But obviously what I just put in there kind of negated this, but this will still add some good flavor. One thing worth mentioning is that the you know, the mixers, you can go in a liquor store and get mixers, but I personally like this better. Now, something I like to do, and these are just frozen blueberries. You probably like blueberry and pineapple. That's kind of a weird combination. Yeah, it kind of is, but you know what? Try it. And tell me what you think. Because I think it's cool, and it gives it a kind of a bluish, purplish look when we blend it here in a second. It also stains your hands too if you're not careful. See? Look at that. So, let's see, I'm going to put these away. Now, wash that stuff off my hands, man. I got blueberries all over. Okay, got those blueberries off. Now what we're going to do, and you could put, if you had bananas, you could put bananas in here. If you had pineapple, you could put pineapple in here, like whole pineapple. Just make sure that's screwed on good. You can see your max fill right there, good visual indicator. Now what we're going to do is, watch this out. Watch this. See, that's what's cool. I was telling you, it gives it that kind of purplish color. Makes you look like a professional when you mix these drinks. Let it sit there and settle for a minute. Settle just a little bit longer. That's all, man. I mean, this blender is incredible. So then what I like to do is kind of pat it on the top. Good job, good job, good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good job, good job, good job. And now we're going to take this off, and I'm going to put this over the sink so I don't drip it all over the fake hardwood floor. And see, now you can see if I put more ice, it would have been a lot, well, it would have been a lot icier. But see, this is chilled, just perfectly blended ice, and it's got I like this consistency. Man, that is good. So again, if you put more ice, you can make it a lot thicker. But if you just want a really easy to drink, doesn't stick to your glass, frozen, fruity type frozen drink. Ah, yes, sir. That is good. So tell me what you think within the comment section below. And again, be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And check out all of Chef Irix Guy's frozen drink concoctions. They don't have to be complicated, but man, they can taste great. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.